We use water every day without thinking about it. You're meant to wash as long as you can sing happy birthday. This is how you wash your hands, kids. Happy birthday to nobody. Happy birthday to nobody. Happy birthday to nobody. Happy birthday to nobody. Look at my beautiful clean hands. Happy birthday made me incredibly thirsty for a drink of water. So I'm gonna give myself a cup of water. Fill my glass right to the top. Water is my favorite drink. We need water to keep us hydrated. It was very refreshing. And the dogs need to be refreshed as well. So I'm gonna give them some water. Even dogs get thirsty as well. Now I'm gonna put it on the floor and try not to spill it. And this will be a big challenge because I've never done this before. She's a good girl. Who's a good girl? Wow, Peaches, you really are thirsty, aren't you? Good girl, Peaches. Cheers, everyone. Bye.